Good morning all, let me to introduce myself. My name is Sally Putri Sameri. I'm a student of Poltekkes Ministry of Healthy Jambi, majoring in dental nursing. I will provide counseling about the casus of tooth case to all students in junior high school number 1 Jambi City. I hope this counseling that I conveyed can be heard well and provide benefits to all of us. There, do you know the casus of tooth case? I will explain to you all. Casus of tooth case usually appears as a symptom of disease both in the oral cavity and other body parts. Tooth case due to problem in the oral cavity can be caused by cavity, teething for children and babies, broken tooth, loose teeth, inflammation or infection of the teeth or gums, and swollen gums, milk teeth that grow abnormally, tooth decay, problem with braces, habit of grinding teeth, often consume sweet food and drink. Next, I will explain about tooth case symptoms. The severity of tooth case varies widely from mild pain that only causes discomfort to severe and unbearable pain. The pain itself can be throbbing or prickling in addition to pain. Tooth case can be accompanied by swelling of the gums, headache and fever. See a doctor immediately if your tooth case has been going on for more than 2 days, or if it is accompanied by bad smell in the mouth, pain when chewing, swollen gums, difficulty swallowing, hard to breathe, difficult and painful opening the mouth, and the last air pain. After this, I will discuss how to treat tooth case. The doctor will perform dental fillings if the tooth case is caused by cavity. If the cavity have decayed, the dentist will clean and sterilize them before filling them. And 2. The doctor will refill in if the tooth case is caused by damage to the previous filling. 3. The doctor will perform root canal treatment if the root of the tooth is infected. 4. The doctor will extract the tooth if the above treatment methods fail to cure the tooth case. Tooth extraction will also be done if tooth case is caused by problem with the growth of wisdom teeth. And the last, to treat the case caused by bacterial infection, the doctor will give antibiotic. For the last, I want to deliver how to prevent tooth case. Preventing is always better than curing. Therefore, even if your current teeth are still healthy, start taking the following steps to prevent tooth case. Brushing teeth the right way twice a day. Clean between the teeth with dental floss or dental floss. Limit consumption of sugary foods or drinks such as chocolate, cakes, and sweets. Regularly check your teeth to the dentist at least every 6 months. And the last, quit smoking. That's what you can tell about the casus of tooth case. There all. I hope all of you can understand about this counseling today and you can apply it in the future. Don't forget to take care of your dental health. My little brother and sister. See you later. The impacts if you didn't brushing your teeth. 1. Tooth case and gum inflammation. And 2. Bad breath. And 3. Discolored teeth. And the last, a pair plaque datar and a cavity occur. See you!